Hi, third graders. Mr. Askelson here. It is Monday, May 11th, 2020. Yesterday was Mother's Day, and I hope you had an opportunity to tell your mother or a grandmother or an aunt or a sister or a friend or a neighbor how much they mean to you and wish them a happy Mother's Day. Today we are looking at our matrix, and we're looking at counting or drawing coins. Yes, there's more for you to do. You are to do all of the activities on this particular spiral matrix part. But we've done some addition. We did do word form last week. We did rounding to tens and hundreds. We did some clockwork. Today we're looking at some coins. And coins are either easy or hard. If you've used coins a lot and know which each coin, the value of each coin, it can be really, really easy to count those up and use those coins to make different totals. If you haven't, and people nowadays, they use their cards a lot more, they shop online, and it isn't always that people use the actual paper money or the coins. So for some, it can be a little bit tricky to think of the coins as different amounts and then add those up to make a total. So on this one today, it says draw coins to make 46 cents. Try to make 46 cents using a different combination of coins. So there are different ways, kind of the larger the coin amount, the more different ways you could use coins to come up with that total. One way that I like to do it, if I'm maybe a little confused on putting these coins together and to come up with an amount, I use a technique or a strategy called hairs on a coin's head. And each hair on a coin counts as 5. Now, is there hairs on a coin? No. But if you can draw this so that you can show this, it's really, really easy to count. All you're going to do, even though each coin has a different value, each coin, you count it up as 5. And that helps keeping you from jumping around to counting by 25s and then 10s and then 5 and then 1s. You're basically just counting by 5s, and then pennies do count as 1. So a quarter has 5 hairs on its head. The coin's value is 25, so when I count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. A quarter gets 5 hairs on its head. Dime is worth 10 cents, and when I count the hairs, 5, 10, the dime gets 2 hairs. The nickel has 1 hair, it's worth 5 cents, and the penny doesn't have any hairs because we count that just as 1. So by just counting by 5s, it's a lot easier to come up with some of the total. So I put the total of 32. So how can I come up with this? Well, I thought maybe a quarter and 2 pennies. So I've got a quarter and 2 pennies, and I'll count it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. Well, that's not right. How about if I get rid of a penny and bring up a nickel? Let's count that up. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31. Pretty close. Let me bring that penny back up. And now let's count our total and see what we get. So we've got a quarter, a nickel, and 2 pennies. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. And I get my total of 32 cents by using this combination of coins. Now, could I come up with a different combination of coins? Sure, I could have 32 pennies, which would be a lot to carry around. I could carry 3 dimes and 2 pennies. That would make 32 cents. I could do 2 dimes, 2 nickels, and 2 pennies. That would make 32 cents. So by limiting the coins, if you knew this was 25 and this was 5, 25 plus 5 is 30, and then do that, perfectly fine. But if you struggle with counting up the totals of the coins and jumping from 25 to 5s to 10s to 1s, try using the hairs on a coin's head and see if that helps you simplify counting up coin totals. Remember, on this activity today, you're going to try and make 46 cents. Hope that helps, third graders. Have a great day.